Welcome to my channel. PLDT Router Login. 1. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. 2. Enter username, admin and password, 1234 and click Login. The default login details will be printed on a sticker on the back of your router/modem. 3. You will be logged in to the PLDT router. Note, if you get to this site can't be reached. 192.168.1.1 refused to connect. Error. Try logging in using https://192.168.1.1. If it shows your connection is not private, click Advanced and proceed to 192.168.1.1, unsafe. How to change PLDT Wi-Fi password and SSID. 1. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. 2. Enter username, admin and password, 1234 and click Login. 3. Click Network and under WLAN Settings menu click Advanced. 4. Enter your network name in the SSID name field. 5. Under Security Policy, select Security Mode as WPA PSK WPA 2 PSK. 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password in the passphrase field. 7. Press Apply to save the changes. Thanks for watching.